Beneath the forest floor lies a secret web of life, where trees converse in silence, exchanging knowledge and sustenance through intricate, living threads. In this subterranean realm, a sprawling network of mycorrhizal fungi acts as a living internet, linking the roots of individual trees into a vast, unified community. It is here, in the quiet darkness of the soil, that the forest's true dialogue unfolds. Trees, often perceived as solitary giants, are in fact deeply connected, their roots intertwined in a complex dance of communication and exchange. This hidden system allows them to share not just physical resources, but vital information, transforming what appears to be a collection of silent sentinels into a dynamic, cooperative society. Each fungal filament is a conduit for a language we are only just beginning to comprehend, a language spoken not in words, but in chemical signals and electrical impulses that ripple through the earth, carrying messages of support, caution, and shared existence. This underground network is the lifeblood of the forest, a testament to an ancient and profound form of connection that sustains the entire ecosystem. When danger emerges, the forest's silent network springs into action, broadcasting warnings that travel faster than any visible threat. A tree under attack from a swarm of destructive insects or an invasive pathogen does not suffer alone. It releases specific chemical signals into the fungal network, a distress call that alerts its neighbors to the impending peril. In response, the surrounding trees begin to activate their own defense mechanisms, often before the threat even reaches them. They might increase the production of phenolic compounds or other defensive chemicals in their leaves, making them less palatable or more toxic to herbivores. This coordinated defense strategy demonstrates a remarkable level of collective awareness. It is a form of preemptive action, a community-wide immune response orchestrated through the subterranean channels. The forest, in essence, has a shared sensory system, allowing it to perceive and react to threats as a single, cohesive organism. This intricate communication ensures that a localized problem does not become a widespread catastrophe, showcasing a sophisticated survival strategy built on mutual vigilance and rapid information sharing. The fungal network is not only a channel for warnings, but also a conduit for profound acts of generosity and support. Within this arboreal society, resources are distributed according to need, creating a system of mutual aid that ensures the health of the entire community. Older, more established mother trees, with their vast root systems and greater access to sunlight, often act as central hubs in this network. They can channel excess carbon, nitrogen, and other essential nutrients to younger saplings struggling in the deep shade of the canopy, providing the nourishment they need to survive and grow. This is not a random process. These elder trees can even recognize their own kin, preferentially sending more resources to their direct offspring. This targeted support extends beyond just the young. When a tree is weakened by disease, damaged by a storm, or nearing the end of its life, its neighbors can sustain it, sending a flow of life-giving nutrients through the shared fungal pathways. This act of support ensures that even the weakest members are not abandoned, reinforcing the strength and resilience of the collective. This silent cooperation fundamentally reshapes our understanding of nature. For centuries, we have viewed the forest through a lens of relentless competition, a place where individual trees vie for sunlight, water, and space in a solitary struggle for survival. But the discovery of these hidden networks reveals a far more nuanced and collaborative reality. Forests operate less like collections of isolated individuals and more like deeply interconnected communities functioning as a superorganism. The survival of one is intrinsically linked to the well-being of all. Strength is not hoarded but shared. Vulnerability is not a fatal weakness, but an opportunity for communal support. This constant, silent exchange of resources and information creates a system that is far more resilient and adaptable than any single tree could ever be on its own. It is a quiet intelligence, a collective consciousness thriving not on dominance, but on interdependence. where the whole is truly greater than the sum of its parts. From these ancient arboreal communities, we can draw profound lessons for our own human societies. The forest's model of resilience and collaboration offers a powerful blueprint for building stronger, more sustainable communities. In a world often driven by individual ambition and competition, the trees teach us the immense power of teamwork and mutual support. They demonstrate that true strength lies not in isolation, but in connection, and that sharing resources and knowledge enriches the entire system, the way older trees nurture the next generation offers insights into mentorship and the importance of investing in the future. Their cooperative defense strategies remind us that by working together, we can overcome challenges far greater than any one of us could face alone. By observing the forest, we are invited to reconsider our own definitions of success, moving from a focus on individual gain to a deeper appreciation for collective well-being and the long-term health of our shared environment. The revelation of these hidden communication systems is a triumph of modern scientific discovery, born from decades of patient research in the fields of forest ecology and the emerging science of plant neurobiology. Scientists, using advanced techniques like isotopic tracing, have been able to follow the flow of carbon and other nutrients as they travel from one tree to another through the mycorrhizal network, providing concrete evidence of this underground exchange. They have mapped these intricate fungal connections, revealing the wood wide web that underpins the entire forest ecosystem. This groundbreaking research challenges long-held assumptions about plant life, suggesting a level of complexity and communication previously thought to be exclusive to the animal kingdom. These scientific discoveries are not just academic. They are transforming our approach to conservation and forestry, emphasizing the importance of preserving the integrity of the entire forest community, both above and below ground. By observing these arboreal communities, we glimpse a world where connection sustains life, resilience emerges from unity, and nature itself becomes a teacher of harmony and interdependence.